All right, guys, tell me if you can relate to this. You go out of work, you go out to your car, and there's this massive bird dropping right on the hood of your car, and you're like, I don't know what the heck to do about this, but I know it's not good for my car. You're absolutely right. It's not great for your car. Bird droppings are acidic, and they'll actually eat into your clear coat. So one of the best things I like to use is this chemical, guys, HydroSpeed. This guy is a ceramic quick detailer, so what you're gonna do is spray this on there and use a microfiber towel and just do a rolling motion, and it'll take it right off the paint. The quicker you can get it off, the quicker you can avoid any potential damage to your clear coat. It's as simple as this. You're gonna take the HydroSpeed, spray it on your car. Don't be shy. Towel, rolling motion. Come back with a clean side, buff off. Subscribe for more tips on how to detail your car.